YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am back, and I am here doing a makeup tutorial, and the look I'm doing is inspired by the character from Coming to America. And it's one of the princesses that I'm doing, Princess Meeka. Oh my God, let me tell y'all. I liked the movie and thing. Like I said, that movie got mixed reviews. So why do that? We're gonna start with the highlight in the brow bone. And let me see, is this gonna work? Okay, yeah, that's gonna work. So we're just gonna dab in this palette right here. And everything I'm using is gonna be from this palette, and one's gonna be from this palette and thing, so yeah. So we're just going to take this and look I'm doing is from Meeka's fight scene with General Izzy. Yes, I just wanted to do that look because for some reason I liked it look. We're just gonna quickly blend it out a little. All right. So we're going to take this. So we're going to take more than and we're going to take this brush and we're going to add a little bit of this concealer on it, a little bit, just to make sure. There we go. All right, so the next thing is we're going to take this color this brush right here, and we're just going to take this color right here, this beautiful brown copper looking color. Oh my God, it's turning out very beautiful right now. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to take this brush and we're just going to do a blend it right up in here right quick. All right, we're gonna go back in that crease and we're gonna go back in with that brown before we add the black. So we're gonna take this brush right here. All right, so we're gonna take this brush right here. And we're gonna go in this Spotlight palette, and we're going to take this black right here, and we're going to put that on the edging of the corners. Excuse me, y'all. Right in here, and we're just going to just do this. We're going to blend that out a bit. And so I just wanted to get this. I usually don't use black, but I wanted to try to mimic Princess Meeka's makeup look. All right. After that, we're going to take this brush right here, and we're just going to just blend. We're just going to blend that real good. And anytime before I post pictures, you will find pictures on my Instagram. I always send them to my sister, just for my sister to give me the verification. And y'all, this look, oh my God, it is turning out very well. I love how it's turning out. Like I was saying, this is my interpretation of this look. The brows is on fleek, so yeah, I actually love it. So what we are going to do, we're going to add a little bit more of that bronzy color. So the way we're going to do this, we're going to, excuse me y'all, we're going to mix this color here in with this. So we're going to mix this and this. We're just going to mix that just to oh my God, I love it. I love this look. So yeah, so now we are going to finish it up. And I will leave everything that I use for this makeup tutorial. And we're going to take the color bronze. That's the color I'm using. And we're just going to take the color bronze. Okay, before I finish, let me do this real quick. We're going to take this brush right here, and we're going to take that, and we're just going from it. And we're going to take this. Yep, that's another trick I have never showed y'all until now. This look is turning out very, very beautiful. Okay. And let's see. We're going to finish it off. So before we do, we're going to finish it off with the powder, the CoverGirl powder in Cappuccino 410. And we're going to take my big brush. Alright, that's that. Just to keep it a little, give me a little color, but not much, we're going to use the one of my favorite LA colors. And this is my favorite color, Boris, I think that's how you pronounce it. And we're going to use that. We're not using much. And just to make sure we have everything completely blended, we're going to go in with this. And to finish it off, we're going to take the scene, Meeka has this beautiful nude brown lip. Now, the closest to my skin tone I have is called Brazilian Tan. So, yeah. You want a lipstick closer to your skin tone. And that is it. But yes, this is it. I love the makeup look. For me to try to recreate coming to America's makeup look based off of Princess Meeka, I actually like it. Never have used them in years since I used black, and I think it turned out good. So y'all, let me hear from y'all. What do y'all think of my coming to America makeup tutorial based off of Princess Meeka? Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.